Ever feel like you're building alone in the dark, grinding away on your bubble app with no one to turn to when things go sideways? What if I told you there's a place where the best builders, founders, and no code wizards gather to crush obstacles, share wins, and build apps that actually scale? Stick around because today I'm pulling back the curtain on something we've been building for you, and it's about to change your entire bubble journey. We're living in a golden age. Traditional development, slow, expensive, out of reach for most founders. But Bubble is different. It's visual, it's powerful. And when you combine it with AI, you can build apps that used to require a six-figure engineering team in weeks, not years. But here's the catch. Most Bubble developers are still making the same old mistakes. They're ignoring SEO. They're bloating workflows. They're drowning in plugins, and they're doing it alone. That ends today because just like the ancient Greek gods built Olympus, a place to gather, strategize, and dominate, we've built something for you. Welcome to Bubble Gods. Let me tell you a quick story. Back in 1984, I wrote my first line of code. I was in high school. And I remember the feeling, the rush, that making a machine do exactly what I wanted it to do. And now fast forward more than 40 years, and I've worked on IBM's secret AIX project at the time. I've built businesses from scratch. I've helped hundreds of founders launch apps that serve hundreds of thousands of users. And here's what I've learned. The best builders don't just have skills. They have community. They have people who push them, that challenge them. And when they hit a wall, that help them break through it. And that's what Bubble Gods is all about. It's not just another school community. It's not just another Slack channel full of noise. It's a training ground, a think tank, a place where serious bubble builders, founders, freelancers, agency owners can come together to build applications that win. So what's exactly inside Bubble Gods? Well, there's a library of insights and training. We've packed this thing with everything you need. SEO frameworks for bubble apps, because let's face it, most of you are invisible to Google. Workflow optimization blueprints, database design masterclasses, integration playbooks, plug-in deep dives so you know exactly which ones to use and which ones to avoid. But it's more than that. It's a place to commune with other bubble gods. You're not alone anymore. Ask questions, share wins, get feedback, find accountability partners. It's not just a forum, it's your crew. This is the place to be. And there's also going to be live content, connections with me and with Tony, Q&A sessions, app teardowns, strategy deep dives. You bring the questions and we bring the answers. And here's the thing. This isn't just about building better bubble apps. It's about building impactful businesses powered by the most advanced no-code technology on the planet. We'll talk about Bubble, yes, but we'll talk about relevance AI. We'll talk about new business models. We'll talk about creating community. We'll talk about email marketing, marketing your application, SEO, getting onto the app stores. Whatever you need to know about, we're going to be covering it inside Bubble Gods. Look, most people think Bubble is just a tool, but that's like saying Ferrari is just a car. Bubble is a business accelerator. If you do it right, you can build a future with Bubble. And when you know how to use Bubble, really build with the right architecture, the right workflows, the right integrations, you unlock something huge: speed. You can go from idea to MVP in days. You can pivot without burning cash. You can scale without begging developers to fix bugs. You can get a leg up with AI, but not fall into that vortex of endless debugging the code that comes out of AI or not understanding the code that comes out. There's nothing more important than understanding what you're building. And you can do that with Bubble. At Ratio, we've helped launch SaaS products in days. We've scaled apps to hundreds and thousands of users. We build AI-powered tools that were impossible 2 years ago. And we're bringing all that knowledge, all of those hard-won lessons into Bubble Gods. And this is also for business owners who have a vision of something they want to build, and they know that it's a good idea for the market. They just aren't quite there on how to get there. This is where you want to be, because it's not just about writing workflows. It's about writing your future. And here's the dirty little secret that nobody talks about. Right now, the biggest competitive advantage isn't having more money. And it's not about having a bigger team. It's all about having the right tools and the right approach. While your competitors are burning 50, 60, 80K and 6 months on a dev team that might deliver an MVP, you're going to be launching, you're going to be iterating, you're going to be getting real users and making real money. And when something breaks, you don't have to wait weeks for a developer to fix it. You'll fix it yourself a lot of times, or you'll hop into Bubble Gods and post the issue and get an answer in minutes. And that is real power. It's leverage. And that's what we're building here in Bubble Gods. So please, here's what I want you to do. Click on the link in the description, go to ratio.dev, sign up for our no-code resource center, because that's where we're putting in all the new stuff that we get as well. And then go to the link to Bubble Gods and sign up. It's totally free. It's not going to cost you anything to sign up for Bubble Gods. And we really want to create the community of serious business owners building with Bubble. So thanks for listening in. This is where the magic happens. This is where you go from struggling solo to building with the best. I really believe it. This is your community. This is your tribe. This is your Olympus. Thanks for listening in. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel. That would mean a lot to both Tony and I. And I'll see you inside Bubble Gods. Bye for now.